My name is Mweni Kioko. I'm the co-founder of Zaoshinani. And at Zaoshinani, we are an agri-fintech that is digitizing farmer produce organizations and providing credit to smallholder farmers. The problem Zaoshinani is solving comes in three phases. One is a lack of operational efficiency within the farmer producer organizations. In addition to that, there is lack of data about the farmer. And then because of the lack of data, it means that farmers can typically not access financial services from your traditional banking organizations. So Zaoshinani has a SaaS ERP that is digitizing the producer organization, aggregating all the farmer data into a single point, giving each farmer a digital identity. And then we use the data from the farmer to define financial products for them. Yes. So the Zaoletu software ideally digitizes the processes within the farmer producer organizations and aggregates for them their data. This is very beneficial because farmers are now given a digital identity, meaning we know who the farmers are, where they're based, what their yield is, and then it helps them access financial services because we use the data about them to create products that are actually useful to them and tailored specifically to them. Yes. So far, in the cooperatives that we work with, it has actually really helped them reduce how long it takes to pay farmers. For example, our very first cooperative used to pay farmers in 17 days because they have to do manual tallying of paper accounting. But now it literally takes them just a day to do all the aggregation and they're ready to pay their farmers. Within the system itself, it's basically a click of the button and they're able to run their farmer payroll. So this is very efficient for them. And in addition to that, it means that they're no longer using the file-based systems to store farmer records and can easily access this information when needed as well. The Women in Tech program helped us at Zaoshinani define our business model. When we were joining the program, we had bits and pieces of who is our customer, how well are we catering to them, but the program enabled us to really narrow down to who we should focus on. And it also helped us build new skills, for example, sales. I am a techie, I do not do sales, but the program empowered me ideally to be able to talk to the farmers better, get their feedback better, and actually utilize what they're saying to improve what we're building. So using Zaoshinani, because we have data on the farmer, this data can be used across numerous entities. We are currently working and have just launched in Chuka our credit program where farmers are able to borrow credit through the mobile app. But in addition to this, we are also creating partnerships with development partners who can also offer additional credit and long-term credit to the farmers. So we have our platform running. We do have customers. We have a reach of over 5,000 farmers. And as I mentioned before, we have just launched our credit product as well. And what's next for Zaoshinani is greater customer acquisition. We are currently in 4 counties in Kenya and hope to grow to the remaining 43 counties. Yes. I would tell entrepreneurs seeking to innovate in agri-tech is that one, they really need to have a grasp of who their customer is, and also they need to manage their expectations. This is because agriculture requires a high buying from farmers, right? And sometimes they do not understand what you're doing, especially if it's technology oriented, or they do not trust what you're doing if it involves aspects of, let's say, soil and grain. And you need to build trust slowly over time so that the farmers accept you and your product. So let the founders take time to go to the field, understand the customer, talk to the farmers, get actual feedback from them, bond with them, and build a relationship even before you start selling to them.